Hey guys, this is Tech Alexa here, and today I'm with the pack. And yeah, baby is gone. Officially. Well, hopefully it will go wild in the woods on its own. But for now, we're gonna keep on going. So yeah. Should be fine because I have the wolves and I need to make sure they're all safe. Go ahead. We all have to play our part. And since I have enough, I will make sure we have everything to do. Now, where's gonna be? Yep, the pack is teleporting nice and firmly. It should be good. Seeing lots of pigs, which is fine. But I need to try and oh, there's Savannah right over there. So we need to get over there. Problem is, I don't know where. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. You're crazy. You're all crazy. Okay. This will work. I'm gonna bridge us all. So this is probably gonna take a while. So let's see who's smart enough to use the planks. Seriously? Another view? Guys. Oh my goodness, you're all not gonna make it. Oh, there you go. There. Okay. Wait a minute, because this does not look right. And I can tell this doesn't look right. And I'm pretty sure the wolves can teleport me over here. Oh, come on, you can do this, buddy. There you go. Okay, yes. Okay, it's just this area. What a pretty cool thing. And something over there. So the hunt is still continuing. I need to see what's up there, so I'm gonna need to sit the pack down. I'm gonna have to put a campsite. So there we go. Resetting my spawn. Time to sit you guys down. Good girl. And yeah, let's see what I got. Let's see what's there. Honestly, since now it's time, I should get this cooked. Because I'm low on health and I need to get every food I need. Perfect. And I need to explore more of the... Okay, we're gonna go over there. But let me see. A shipwreck. It should be something good, right? Oh, and it's not gonna be that much on water, which is pretty nice. Ooh. That would have been pretty good. That is pretty nice. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, there's Curse of Blinding. Ooh. Probably will take the moss. I got tomato ideas. Okay. Here we go. Is there anything else here I should know? Even here. Oh, there was. Ooh, let's see if I'm closer to this. Nope. Okay. Well, thank you. But it doesn't have the diamond. It would be pretty cool if I found diamond. Yeah, so let's see. Perfect. I probably need some... Okay, so I need to smelt all of this. And then I'll get the iron next. Sounds like a plan. Because... yeah. I don't think that's gonna work. And I think it was pointing towards that way. Where we're gonna head, so that's fine. I just need to find the spotted, striped, and dark wolf, and we should be good. Right? Let me check. There you go. Okay. Yes, spotted, black, striped. And just in case... oh, and chestnut. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're missing 4. So we should be fine. out how we're going to do that. So we're going to be, there we go, I'm going to do this. And only 4 more. So we're going to be going through there. down soon. But I should really get to sleep. So tomorrow, big day. And I am recording this a little late. Upload on its own device. So if you guys like it, then I'll take a bit longer. Ooh. See, Alright guys, I guess we haven't found any new wolf, but it's fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retrace my steps. And yeah. But if you guys like it, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'll set my wolves down. Turns out I had the puppy all along. Right? Yeah, I had the puppy all along. And we got a new parrot. Please, don't do this to me. This is like... There you go, I got the parrot down. Yeah. And we had 2 seconds. Bye.